Now it's kind of hard to record and take this off, but I'm gonna try to do it so you can see it anyway. Right now we're basically just moving the intake here, basically because the spark plugs and the ignition coils are under the intake. So we're gonna move the air filter box here so we can get this out the way, so we can get a little bit closer to our goal, which is the ignition coils and the spark plugs, which are here. So this tune-up is not a regular tune-up. A little bit more to it.